Sunday, June the 1st. It's about, I don't know, it's probably after 2 p.m. BB is sitting on top of her bird feeder nesting box. Goody baby. And Blue is sitting inside his box too, nesting. They both laid eggs. Blue have eggs from January and recently, like May. And BB laid eggs in May for the first time. BB has grown up. BB is now 2 years old. Yes, good baby. Or actually 1, 2, 2 I think. Yes, baby. Hello. How are you doing? Good? Good baby. How are your eggs doing, sweetie? Good? That's good. Baby is a very good bird. And baby have eggs, and baby been sitting on her eggs most of the time. Yeah? And so has Blue. Good baby. Yeah? There's Blue speaking too. Blue is wondering what's going on outside his box. What am I talking to baby about? Good Blue. Blue is speaking to let me know he's in the box. And baby is trying to talk with me too. Oh, baby, I hope you're not getting irritated for disturbing you. Will you? Are you coming to check up on me and baby? Good. Okay. Should I leave you alone, baby, so you can go in the box to rest? Huh? Good baby. Baby is a good bird. Yes, baby is a very good bird. Baby is gonna get Blue to come out and check up on me because I think I'm disturbing them when they're trying to sit there quietly to sit on their eggs in their little nesting boxes. Okay, Blue, I'm leaving, Blue. Okay, baby. See you later, sweetie. Good baby.